Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin inside a running Colab. Insert a text cell immediately. This is where Markdown lives. Type a single hash for an H1, two hash for H2, and so on to structure content. Use or 1 to create bullet and numbered lists. Once done, apply inline emphasis with asterisk or underscores and use backticks for inline code. Make sure to save frequently. Colab autosaves, but you want to keep your formatted notes organized as you proceed. Now you'll expand beyond basic text. For snippets, wrap code in fenced blocks with triple backticks and an optional language name for highlighting. To include images, either drag a file into the cell to get a URL or use standard Markdown image syntax. Once done, make tables quickly with pipes and dashes, or drop into HTML when you need precise alignment. Remember to preview by running the cell so you can iterate on spacing and visual hierarchy immediately. Finish by polishing headings, lists, and embedded assets so your notebook reads clearly. You'll often tweak spacing or switch to HTML for tables or custom styles. Colab accepts basic HTML inside Markdown. Once finished, run the text cell to render and scan for misrendered sections. If something looks wrong, check for stray backticks, unmatched tags, or missing blank lines between blocks. Those are the usual culprits. If needed, revert to a previous revision or re-upload the asset and relink.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.